I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Pinterest on mobile. So as you can see, I'm on my Android phone here, guys, and I'm going to click my profile picture on the lower right side and then click on my profile picture at the top. Once you click on that, you will see the button shows that you can change your profile picture. Once you click and change profile picture, you will see that it mentions that we need to give permissions to, for example, gallery. You want to click on got it, and of course you will see the section for permissions. Click on permissions and you want to choose photos and videos. Here you want to ensure that you choose to allow. I will choose always in this case, and once I go back into the Pinterest app and I click and change again, it's gonna allow me to view my profile, and as you can see, there are pictures there, and I can choose whatever picture I want, for example, and I will be able to set that as my picture for my new Pinterest profile. And that's pretty much it, guys.